Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Tinder. So let's start. First open the Tinder app. This is the home screen of the Tinder app and it is like a stack of cards. If you swipe, a person's profile will go away and another person's profile will pop up. And that's how it goes. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to settings. Now scroll down. If you enable global, you have to add your preferred language. Here you can set your maximum distance from your location. You can also select an age range. And now let's go back to the home page. Whenever you come to the home page, the profile feed always refreshes. Here you can see a person's profile. Now tap on the image to see her profile. And if the person has multiple pictures, then you can swipe through their pictures. Now let's go back. If you swipe right, it means you will like the person. And if you swipe left, it will remove the person's profile from the feed. And there's a new option. If you swipe up, it will super like the person. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see many buttons. At the left hand side, you will see the undo button. It brings back the previous profile and it's a premium feature. Then the cross button. It is the shortcut to swiping left. The star button is the shortcut to super like. The heart button is the shortcut to swiping right. And then the button on the right hand side will refresh the feed. It is also a premium feature. Now let's check out the messaging section by tapping on the message bubble at the top of the screen. In this section, you will see all your matches, as well as all your conversations. If you have a new match, you'll see it here. And to message that person, tap on that person's profile picture. And that's how you can use the Tinder app. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.